a dozen green wings. And we've already got ducks dumping in, so got about 10 minutes to go. Thanks, Susie. Get them in here. Go, 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 go. That's a good flight. This is a lot more than I saw. That's encouraging. Coming from behind. Oh, right here. There's one behind us somewhere right here. Look at all these teal. This is awesome. Yeah. You want it, Bryce?
They come so quick.
Yeah, just take them right there. Get ready. I think we'll get some more teal zip around now. You can't see them hardly.
Oh. Two. Good shot. Oh yeah, it's belly up.
Well, got two.
We each have two?
I think so. If the mallards would come back, that'd be awesome, but I'm fine with picking off teal like this.
On the right, on the right.
Nice.
Shot.
I guess I should have shot. I was like, I don't know, which one do I shoot at? Your side, Tyler. Kept. Oh, right there.
Oh, man. Right there.
I didn't see it. I see it now.
There you go. Uh-oh.
I better go find him. Oh, there he is. Nice shot, Tyler. Gotta get a little green. Bird pickup time. There we go. Nice old Drake greenwing. I'm up to 3. Let's see that mallard. Oh man, that's a beautiful drake. Hopefully a few of those come back. Well, had a couple mallards come by. Right here. Get back in. This is just chaos. Oh yeah, look at all these.
Shoot him. They came in pretty.
That was awesome. Still off on the horizon there.
I should have shot again. Just been done.
I
I won't pass up another teal. I'll just finish it out.
You got one mallard, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The middle one is a green head. There's only one. He just landed out in that corner, right? Yeah. Like he did. Did you aim at that one? Yeah. Man, those mallards did it nice.
That was pretty.
Only one drake. I wish that one was a drake that head on the right.
I saw you right on her.
She would have, or he would have got crunched. If it was.
Sure, it'll be. You're up 5.
Here we go. Yeah, too close.
So you got nice. That is a beautiful green head. Beautiful green head right here. There's that. Got a drake blue wing right there, and a drake green wing. There you go. Nice. You're done. Tyler needs one. Let's get back in. Just had a blue wing land on the other side. Tyler's gonna go try to jump in.
Good shot.
That is going to do it for the day. What an awesome day. Ended with 15 teal, 3 green heads. I got an all green wing limit myself. What a fun little hunt. Had fog roll in, and we were just covered in ducks from like 10 minutes before legal for the at least first half hour, and just picked away. Some of them were too close, but hey, that's a good problem to have. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to go out there and support those conservation organizations, Pheasants Forever, Ducks Unlimited, Delta Waterfowl, and we'll catch you out there. See ya.